have so many great memories of Butler. Perhaps my fondest ones come from weekend hikes on campus with Dylan and Kelly, exploring the trails, creeks, and farm by ourselves, awash in quiet pastoral serenity. Our first such hike was way back in 2013, the year Dylan started at Butler in the primary. Dylan had already started getting comfortable with his new surroundings and always enjoyed interacting with the farm animals. Fast forward 9 years later, and as an intermediate, the farm is part of his second home. He knows the fields, creeks, and trails like the back of his hand. These wonderful experiences will stay with him for the rest of his life. As parents, we have a chance this year to commemorate these in words and leave behind a physical marker of the wonderful memories we have had. What Butler memories do you have?